you. My name is JB Rose, singing Vegan Mum. So what I thought today I would do is do cashew cheese. Here it is, let's get into it. So in my little blender I have just a little bit of cashew nuts. I'm not going to make a lot, just for me. And then I'm going to add some generous amounts of yeast flakes. This is where you're going to get that cheesy taste from. And then a little bit of soy sauce, salt and pepper. You can decide how much salt you want. Well, that's pepper. And salt. Some plant milk. And now we're going to add some lemon. I'm going to add a generous dollop of tahini. There's lots of recipes out there. I'm going to add a little bit of mixed herbs and a tinge of garlic powder. You could use fresh, that's fine, a little tinge. You don't want it to be garlicky. Remember, it's cheesy flavour we're trying to make here. Here are all the ingredients ready to zhuzh up, and literally this is going to be our cheese mixture. And I am going to look here, absolutely smooth and saucy.
Ocean deep, together we will. Hold me near, hold me tight. Only you can make it real, only you make it alright. We journey through
the vegan cheese, yeah, creamy cashew cheese. And the reason why we use cashew nuts because it makes things nice and creamy. So give this a try, guys. So if you're going to make cheesy pasta, you could use this instead. You could use this for your cheese. It's great, guys. Please like, share, comment, and I will see you next time. Have a blessed week.